Join your hands together with a big round of applause for our champion of the day from Australia, Liam. Congratulations, bravissimo.
Guri.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Liam.
Congratulations.
Bravi,
Congratulations.
bravi.
Congratulations.
Brad,
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Brad.
Oh, just 1 second. Oh, there you are, Liam. Okay, now I'm going to put all the microphones off. Liam, Liam, put your mic on. Where is Liam? Liam, put your mic
Yep.
on.
Yep. There we are.
There you are. Hey. So, nothing. You say, because I know you're overwhelmed with lots of emotions because you had many before last night. Now you have emotion. You tell whatever when you have a free word. I got nothing to say. I'm
Oh,
really
I'm lost for words. It hasn't even hit me yet until tomorrow. I will find out what I got wrong and what I got right, and then I'll be like, oh my gosh. Then it will hit me. It still hasn't even hit me yet that I've actually passed because I've wanted this so bad. Because also where we live, public transport's very hard, so I haven't had to work. I haven't been working, so my whole life has just been this exam and just trying to get it done. So that's why it's been like, oh my gosh, I've just focused so much on trying to pass it. So yeah, I've done it, thank God. So otherwise, what do I say?
Liam. Nothing. I know. I know that it was difficult, particularly in your case, because your wife also explained to me that you have to work very hard, and I knew that, and I saw that yesterday. Remember, you were getting 5, 6 mistakes, and you were happy. I'm getting 3. So I know that is that the paranoia people go in just a day before exams. It'll happen to all of you. That just before exams, your mistakes will increase, and you say, "Oh my God, what am I doing?" But I know this, and I'm there for you. So that's why, yes,
Yeah,
last night when I did last night. It wasn't because you missed the 4 o'clock class and I wasn't supposed, but I said I will not feel easy sleeping knowing that my Liam is going to go to exam tomorrow. He needs me. So it was very important that I spoke to you last night because
yeah,
I told you in what state of mind you need to go to sleep. It's
yeah,
not all about the knowledge. Even if you have all the knowledge of the world, you can still fail because you
yeah.
can't control your emotions. And that is also my job to make sure that you don't make a mistake. And
Mm.
this morning, the tips, beside, without specifying what you need to do. All the things I said and messages I sent have been helpful to you.
Yeah, so I found that they really helped me. Also, what really helped me was I found was one of the people that was it when they passed and they talked about their time in that. They said that they go back to their questions that they got wrong and then they repeated the question, like listening to it, and then you say out loud what the answer is. So, like if it's false, you would yell out false, 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 or vero. That helped massively. And you saying to me, I need to do five before lunch exams, like 5 skaters before lunch, 5 skaters after lunch. Then we would have the lesson, and then after dinner, I'll try and do 2 more. So, and that was the last sort of 3 weeks. I was doing that constantly, and that really put me into like, oh my gosh, this is really, I can actually feel like I can pass this now. And then, yeah, I was definitely nervous though, massively, but the steps that you
I
told
remember,
me helped me heaps.
I know because remember even when we were doing quiz together, and I told you the technique how to not be because and then you began the first 5 questions and you went in panic, and I realized I said stop answering now, take a deep breath. I said
Yeah.
first wash your face with cold water, come back again, and they'll do it again. And he did afterwards. You went like smooth water, everything was
The
perfect.
breathing's good. Breathing is always good to do through
Mm.
your exams, even if you go halfway through your exam,
No,
just
it's also
like
very important to know
just
how
breathe
to.
and go, okay, I can actually, I want to try and get a green. That's what I was focusing on, like, oh, just greens. I just need to get a green, like
Perfect.
focusing on that, and it will come to you. I can't believe I've
Very
done it now. So yeah, I'm super
good.
happy.
I'm so happy for
I don't
your.
have to sign in anymore into this class. I
Yeah,
don't have
but
to
Liam,
bring my
you'll miss it.
skaters.
You'll miss the class. You'll come. I'm sure.
Oh,
Where is your son? Where is your son?
he's watching TV. He's
He thinks
having
dad is a champion. Huh? He was so happy to that you would be there and
yeah.
listen.
He was very
I'm
happy.
very happy you needed it as a family man. You need the license. All of them need it, but of course, I'm happy that you done. So when you succeed, it's like me succeed. Now you're the ambassador for all the Australians in Italy. I hope you'll spread the word around.
Yeah. I wish
Very happy.
the auto squaller they actually knew you, so then it would be easier for me to. Because when I first started, I wish I knew you. I only found you through Facebook, so I wish the auto squaller actually knew. Like, oh hey, because you can do it in English. We know a person. That was the part
And the
that I
autoscorer suggested you to me.
no. I wish they did because it would have made it
Okay.
easier, and I wouldn't have been looking around to becoming a resident in like Austria or France and figuring out another way not to do this exam in Italian. That's the way I was looking at it being.
Mamma mia. Okay, no, I'm so happy they turned out that way. I'm very proud
Mm.
of you.
Good
Now,
luck to everyone, though. Good luck to
yeah,
everyone, and just keep doing skaters. That's it. That's the big thing. Trying to
oh,
do like a lot.
okay. Thanks, Liam, and
Thank you.
wish you all the best. You can
Yeah.
connect with me 4 days before your practical exams. Okay, I'm very happy,
Yep.
very proud of you.
Yep. Thank you.